This is Mahmoud Hassan Meras. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the top view, this is the front view, and this is the right side view. First of all, we will start drawing from the top view. We will first draw a rectangle of 200 by 100. Then we will extrude boss that rectangle to 20 unit. After that, we will trying to draw this front shape. Okay, first select the top plane, then sketch. Now select center rectangle. Now dimension it 50 into 2, 100 by 200. Now isometric it. Now go to features and extrude boss it to 20 unit. Now here we can see we have another rectangular shape which is 170 by 200. So I will select the top plane, you select the front plane, then sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the corner rectangle. Place the corner rectangle. Now dimension it 170 by 200. Now press OK. Here we can see we have a radius of 200 in the upper portion. So I'll draw a circle of radius 200 into 2. Okay, now I will select this circle and select this corner. Now I will coincident it. Now press OK. Now I will do for the same thing in another corner. Select the circle and select this point. Now coincident. Now press OK. As we can see, the total height is 170, but we have selected the rectangle shape is 170, so I will delete this dimension. Now select the trim option and trim the unnecessary part. Now again select dimension. Now select this top point and this line. Now dimension it 170. Now press OK. Isometric it. Here we can see it has a extrude boss of 50. So while extrude boss 25 in this side and extrude boss 25 in another side. So go to features and extrude boss and extrude boss it to 25 in this direction 1 and in direction 2 extrude boss it to 25. Now press OK. After that, here we can see in the bottom surface it has a semicircular shape. So I'll draw a semicircle of 50 radius, then I will cut it from both sides. So I'm going to select the bottom face. Now select sketch. Now normal to it. As you can see that it has a radius of 50, so I will first draw a center line of 50. Then from that center line I will draw a circle. Okay, now select circle and now draw the circle. Now press OK. As we can see that it will be semicircle, so I'll randomly select this. Okay, I'll trim all the unnecessary part. So I'll trim this part, and this part. Okay, as also this side has the similar shape, so I will mirror this second part. So I will select a center line, draw a center line from the origin. Now select mirror entities. Now select the entities you want to mirror. Now mirror about, select this center line. Now press OK. Now isometric it. Now we can see that this extrude cut is up to this vertex. So I'll first extrude cut through this vertical line. So go to features and then extrude cut and select this two part and now select up to vertex. So before doing that vertex line, so first I need to edit this sketch, because in the first sketch I didn't draw this 30 radius. So I'll first exit this sketch. So I will first go to the second sketch. Now edit the sketch. Now select fillet. Now fillet it to 30. So I'll filletting to 30. Now select this line, press OK. Now also select this line and press OK. Now select now you can see now we are getting this curve shape. So now we'll now extrude cut from the bottom surface. So I'll again draw that shape, select sketch, now normal to it. Now select a center line. Now dimension it to 50 unit. Now select a circle and draw the circle. I didn't skip this part because sometimes we need to redraw a shape, so I will redrawing the shape again, because we'll sometimes miss some of the parts. So we'll have to redraw in the previous shape first, then we have to continue the future shape. Now select the corner rectangle. Now select this point and draw this and dimension it this side 100. Okay, now cut all the unnecessary part. Now press OK. Now in the previous way I also mirror the shape. So mirror entities, select these entities and copy about this line. Now press OK. Now go to features and then extrude cut and extrude cut. Now select up to vertex and select this line. Now press OK. Here you can see we have extrude cut this semicircular shape, but in the top surface we have another fillet type shape which is radius of 50. So I will select again radius of 50 and extrude cut through the all the way to this curved surface. Select this surface. Now sketch, select this side and select this line and this line. Now convert entities. Now select the corner rectangle. Now trim all the unnecessary part. Now press OK. Now go to swift cut and select this shape and select the circular part As the circular part has many segments, so I will select selection manager. Now I will select this circular curve path. Now press OK. Now OK. Now we can see we are getting most of the shape. Now we'll have to cut this middle circular part, which has a radius of 30. So I will select the front plane. Now sketch. Now I will isometric it, normal to it. After that I will select a circle and draw a circle of radius of 30. Now I will dimension it from the bottom surface is 90 unit. So I will select my dimension. Now dimension it to 90 unit. Now isometric it, go to features and now extrude cut and extrude cut it to from both sides. Now press OK. As we can see here, the circular path has a fillet. So I will select the fillet option. Now I will select this fourth option from the fillet. Now select this face. Now select second box and select the inner face. Now select third box and now select the outer face. Now press OK. We have drawn the fillet surface. Now we will draw this extrude cut rectangular part, which has a dimension of 30 by 90. So I will select the front plane. Now sketch. Now isometric it. I want to draw the rectangle. I will draw first a center line, then I will offset the 30 unit. Okay, now select the offset entities. Now select this line. I will select 15 unit. As I have selected 15 in this side, so total both side will be 30 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it. Now go to features and extrude cut and extrude cut it to both direction. Now press OK. As we can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.